Jerry had some money. He spent 1/3 of his money on a basketball. 1/3 of his money means money that he had at first on a basketball, and 3/4 of his remaining money. Remaining money means what is left after he spent on the basketball. And he used that 3/4 of his remaining money on a tennis racket. He spent another $5 on his lunch, and the remaining, and had a 1/8 of the original amount of money left. How much money did Jerry have at first? So now we have to draw the model. This is whoa. So we draw the model for Jerry. So this entire model is what he had at first. Okay, he spent 1/3 of his money, so we split this into 3 units. Spend 1/3, which is 1 unit, on basketball, and 3/4 of his remaining money. So after he spent on the basketball, he has this left, right? These 2 units left. So these 2 are the remaining money. 3/4 of his remaining money. This has 2 units, right? 3/4. Look at the denominator. Denominator means how many units? 4 units, right? But this only has 2. So you have to make these 2 units into 4 units. How do you do that? You split each of them into half. So now you have 4 units, right? Since you split this bigger unit into half, you have to split this one also into half. So now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. 3/4 of his remaining money. So he spent on basketball, right? This is what he has left. 3/4 means, look at the numerator, means 3 units. He used 3 units on a tennis racket. Then he spent $5 on lunch. And this, what he has left, is 1/8 of the original amount. So actually, if you split Jerry's amount of money into 8 units, right? Because 1/8 of the original amount, 8 units, so at the denominator, 8 units. Right, 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This amount of money left corresponds to 1/8 of the original amount of money. So this is actually 1 unit in this model when the model is split into 8 units rather than 6 units over here. Okay? So this is when the model is split into 8 units, and this is when the model is split into 6 units. Okay? This entire thing, this 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, all represents 1 unit, right? So this is 1 unit out of how many units in this model over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this unit, when we write in fraction, is actually 1/6, right? Of the model, because 1 unit out of 6. And then this one that he has left is actually 1/8. 1/8. 1 unit out of the 8 units. This is 1/8. The one in yellow, right? This Unit over here is 1/6. But right now they are of different denominator, so we have to make them the same denominator. So this one, their common multiple is, what's the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, right? Stop here. Then what's the multiple of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, right? Then it goes on. So what's the common multiple of 8 and 6? Right, you see these two numbers? 24. So you have to make them both to have a denominator of 24. So from 6 to 24, what must you do to get 24 from 6? You have to take 6 times 4. 6 times 4, right? 6 times 4. So the numerator also 6 times 4. And then for this one, from 8 to 24, you have to times 3. So numerator also you times 3. So now you know that this, the yellow one, right, which is this green one plus the $5 over here, is 4 out of 24. And the green one is 3 out of 24. So the difference between each other is, what's the difference? What's 4 over 24 minus 3 over 24? It's 1 over 24, right? 1 over 24. And what's the difference between the yellow one and the green one? The difference is this $5, right? So 1 unit, right? Look at the numerator. 1 unit represents $5. Then denominator represents the total number of units for Jerry at first. So how much money did Jerry have at first? Look at the denominator. 24 units equals to how much?